In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI autofill in Notion. Notion's AI autofill is a powerful way to automatically populate database properties like summaries, key information, or custom details based on the content inside each page. Instead of manually writing a summary or pulling out highlights every time, you can let Notion's AI do most of the work for you, and then you simply review and refine. To get started, open your Notion workspace and head to a database where you want to use AI autofill. In this example, we're working in a goals tracker, but you can follow along with any database you have, such as projects, tasks, or meeting notes. Make sure you're in a full-page view of the database so you can clearly see the list of entries and the option to create a new one. Next, click on the New button to create a new page inside that database. This gives you a fresh entry to work with. Go ahead and add some content to the page, maybe a description of your goal, action steps, or notes. The more meaningful text you add, the better AI autofill will work, because it relies on the content of the page to generate summaries and key info. Now, we're going to set up a property that AI can fill for you. Move your cursor up to the top of the page where you see the list of properties for this database. Look for the option to add a new property. Click there and give this property a clear name like highlight or summary, so you'll immediately know what kind of information is stored there. After you type in the property name, choose the AI option for that property. Depending on your workspace, you'll see choices like summary, key info, or custom. For this walkthrough, select the option that adds a summary. This tells Notion that this property should automatically generate a brief overview of the page's content. Once you select Add a Summary, Notion's AI will process the content of your page and suggest a generated summary in that property. Take a moment to read what it produced. If it doesn't match what you need or you're just experimenting, you can click Discard. This removes the generated result without affecting the rest of your page, and you can always try again later or adjust your content to guide the AI toward better output. That's all you need to get started using AI autofill in Notion to quickly generate helpful summaries from your existing content.